Good morning, children. Today in our class I will discuss about the expanded form of a number. What is the expanded form of a number? Children, read the line. Expanded form is the way through which we express a number as the sum of the place values of all its digits. See children, there is an example. Through this example, I will make you understand what is the expanded form of a number. See children, this is a 8-digit number. Okay. We have to write the expanded form of this number. Okay, so what is the expanded form of this number? The expanded form of this number is the sum of the place values of 9, 2, 5, 2, 9, 3, 8 and 9. Okay. See children, to find out the expanded form of this number, what we have to do first? We have to place the digits in their respective houses or respective places. Like this way. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Now start from your left side. 9 crore. How to write 9 crore in number? Write 9. In crore, how many zeros are there? 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 9 crore, we have to write the number like this way. Then 210 lakh. How to write in number? First write 2. For 10, there will be 1 0. For lakh, there will be 5 zeros. Okay. Then 5 lakh. How to write 5 lakh in number? First write 5. For lakh, we will write more 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then 210,000. First write 2. For 10, there will be 1 0. For 1000, there will be 3 zeros. So 210,000 is equal to 20,000. Okay. Then 9,000. First write 9. For 1000, there will be 3 zeros. Okay. Then 300. How to write a number? First write 3. For 100, there will be 2 zeros. 8, 10. First write 8. For 10, there will be 1 0. 8, 10 is equal to 80. 9 ones. 9 ones. 9 ones are 9. Ones mean 1. 9 ones are 9. Children, in my previous video, I explained in crore how many zeros are there? In lakh how many zeros are there? In thousand how many zeros are there? In hundred how many zeros are there? And in tens also how many zeros are there? You can follow the videos. Okay, all were explained clearly there. Practice well children. Thank you.